Welcome back, Mullen investors and haters. This is my weekly technical analysis video for Mullen Automotive. In addition to frequent updates, I post this video every Wednesday. We're seeing a lot of sideways action in Mullen Automotive this last week. One of the things that has me a little concerned, or at least not excited yet, is that former support of 120 has now become resistance. The good news is that we have not broken down below this support at 78 cents. We continue to hover sideways in this sideways action. On the upside, I'm still looking for a break and a hold back above that 120 into this former consolidation box. Just looking at the daily chart without any of the indicators, it appears the trend for now is sideways to sideways and down. Moving on to the other charts and indicators. Taking a look at the trend quality, the market forecast, the MACD, and the RSI. First up, you can see that our trend indicator still remains completely stuck to the downside, actually seeing a little bit of an increase the last few days of that pressure to the negative side, even though price action has been a little bit sideways. Until this indicator starts to turn green, we have not yet come off this pullback and started a move back to the upside. Taking a look at the market forecast indicator, you'll see that our near term and our short term have kind of found themselves in this 50 area. This most recent spike of the near term line is a higher low from this one back here. That's also not a very positive sign, although it's not severely negative yet either. And our intermediate line, which I watch very closely, which is one of the slowest indicators on this market forecast, still remains below 25 in that lower reversal, all the way down at 13. Although we are coming up, we just haven't gotten this push to the upside yet. Of course, all of these indicators simply follow price. And so by looking at that daily chart like we did at the first part of the video, this is exactly what we were seeing. These indicators are simply confirming what you can see on the daily chart. Some positive remaining here on the MACD, but I don't give it any credit until we start getting this indicator line back above zero. And the RSI is just completely flatlined down here at that 38 level. Once again, confirming what our eyes were able to tell on that daily chart, that the trend is sideways for the moment. Moving on to the slim ribbon momentum indicator, you'll notice we still remain red, which is negative, and we remain below this fan of all these moving averages. However, here's a small sliver of hope, a small sliver that we are at least stopping this downward momentum, and that is that these fanned moving averages are starting to curl and at least move sideways, and they are getting tighter together. That indicates that we could potentially start seeing a move to the upside, or we could simply be forming a consolidation area, taking a little bit of a rest for another move down. 4-hour momentum remains red. 1-hour momentum remains red as well. During these technical analysis videos, I like to just show you what I'm seeing from my years of experience on the charts. I try to leave my bias at the door. For those of you who are wondering, I am long Mullen stock. I am a future Mullinaire. However, that position and my bias needs to remain at the door. The current trend remains sideways to down. Not just from a technical analysis point of view, but there are some significant challenges facing the future of Mullen Automotive, and I break all of them down in this video right here.